If you'd like to create a short GIF from a video, you can use the free tool by Adobe Express. After you log in, click View All on the right side of the first row of tools. Then find Video on the left side, and in the list, find the Video to GIF tool. This is a very simple tool. Click to upload a video up to 1 minute. After it's uploaded, you can trim the video to make it shorter. And you should do that, because the best length for a GIF is around 15 seconds. Although you can create a GIF up to about 1 minute with this tool. On the side, you can choose if you'd like to create it in high quality, medium, or low. This affects the size the GIF will end up in pixels. If you need it big, click the high quality option. You also have the option to change the dimensions of the video to match the purpose you need it for. After you change the dimensions of the video, you have the option to click Fill, so the video will fill the whole screen of the new dimensions. You can also move the video around if you need to see a different part of the image. You can only change the position for the whole part you are creating the GIF for. If you need to adjust it in a few places, first go to the Merge tool and change the dimensions and position for all the parts you need, then use the Video to GIF tool. You can also use the Download GIF option inside the editor if you are already editing the video. This is only if you need a very quick option to convert to GIF when the part is ready. You can't save the project after you close it, so always download it if you think you'll need it. You can also download it in a few quality options. If it's a meme and you're not sure how you'll use it in the future, that gives you more flexibility. Watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.